All right, new arrival. Love getting these builds in here. This is probably my 5th or 6th car at this point, but these are the wonderful RSR project recreation cars. They're tributes to the original RSR. This is based on a 1985 chassis. This is actually not a brand new build. This is I believe it's number 9. So it's one of the first 10 cars built. I think it's on like 25 or even more at this point. Just kind of shows you how well built these cars are. This is definitely, a few years old. It's got about 6,000 miles on it. It was loved, enjoyed, driven all the time. And again, you can just see, the fit and finish. These are steel flares, fiberglass hood, and the ducktail. But, everything is just really well done. They did a really nice job just taking the car down to bare metal, welding on these steel flares. And you can see it's got those wide RSR wheels, the signature center exhaust, which the RSR project cars all have, and no sunroof. Love it. And the interior also lightweight spec, just like again, a tribute back to the RSRs. Got the pulls, the manual windows, the lightweight buckets with the tartan centers. And this car has about 6,000 miles, a little bit more on the build. And it also has air conditioning, which is a first for me. There's only a few of those RSR project cars that have the AC installed. And it's got an extra vent there too, which is cool. And it uses these vents as well. So it's got a Wevo 915 transmission, short shift, drives great. And the motor, again, look at little details. So you got the pop-out windows back here. He shaves the pull. Again, these are all little details that I love on these cars. And it's got a 3.2 liter, completely rebuilt. Again, there's the AC, which is nice. It's nothing exotic, which is one of the selling features on these cars, because you can take it anywhere to get it serviced. It's about a little bit over 2,000 pounds, so it really boogies. I mean, it's a really punchy motor in this little car. It weighs nothing. You can see the air conditioning there with the two fans. It really runs well. Again, it's a RSR project car in Viper Green, based on a 1985 chassis. Just an awesome, awesome car. A lot of fun to drive. You get a lot of looks driving this thing around. And with that 3.2 back there, those motors are pretty much bulletproof motors. Fantastic car.